Hello, today we're showing you how to install our STUDBITE Trapeze Support System. You first get your STUDBITE adapter. It has the butterfly clip on the back that is spring loaded. You pull that back and slide up your threaded rod to the desired height. You then get your second adapter and do the same to around the same height. You get your trapeze support system and slide it on top of both of them, adjusting till they're both level. You then, with the screws in the back, you screw them in so it bites into the threaded rod. You then get your tapered head STUDBITE screw, and you're simply just going to pick up a hole in the trapeze and the adapter and screw it in. And that is your trapeze support main. So now when it comes to installing tray, you simply just line up the vertical slots in the tray with the trapeze, with the hole in the trapeze, and you get your STUDBITE screw as before, and fasten it down. Now when installing basket, you get your STUDBITE basket tray hold down clamp, picking up one of the rungs and lining up a hole on your trapeze. You then get your STUDBITE screw that you have used previously, and fasten it to the trapeze.